So we have to remember that if you see less than or equal to, what's inside the absolute value will be between the negative and positive of that number. And then if it's greater than or equal to, it's going to be below the negative and above the positive. If that number is below 0 or less than 0, it's never going to be true because absolute value cannot be negative. It's always positive. So we have less than or equal to 15, which means it's going to be between negative 15 and 15. And what's between is the 10 minus 5u. So we're going to subtract 10 from the two sides and the middle. And we have negative 5u is between negative 25 and 5. When we divide by a negative, we have to change the signs, which means, whoops, we can no longer have it in between. So we're going to have u here, and we're going to switch the sign, positive 5, and u here, we're going to switch the sign, and it's a negative 1. So wait. Oh, we could. So we could put negative 1, and then this will go here. That'll go there. Yeah, it works. So it's between negative 1 and 5, and we want a solid dot. Negative 1, 5, we put it between. We can test one to see. So if we put a 2 in there, 10 minus 10 is 0, and that's less than or equal to 15, the absolute value of that. So yeah, that works. We got it. So greater than means that you're going to have 4x plus 6 is greater than 10, or 4x plus 6 is less than negative 10. When we subtract 6, we're going to get 4x is greater than 4, or here we have 4x is less than negative 16. Divide by 4, and we get x is greater than 1, or x is less than negative 4. So we're going to put open circle on 1 and negative 4. And it's going to go in the opposite. It's going to be above 1 and below negative 4. When you see greater than, you're going to have above and below the two numbers. Okay, we'll move on. Less than 5. So less than means it's going to be between. So we have negative 5 is less than 5u minus 15, which is less than positive 5. We add 15. This is 25u, and this is 10. Divide by 5. So between 2 and 4, we're going to have our u, and it's open circle. And we're between. And that's the end of the lesson.